Alright, hi everybody, Chef Billy here. Hope you all are having a wonderful day, a good St. Patty's Day, and fixing to cook some corned beef for Reubens. Let's do it. The corned beef frying on the Blackstone, and I'm gonna give it a good sear, and then it'll be ready to make the Reubens. I'll check back with you later. Alright, I got my Reuben now. Rye bread, corned beef, and some Thousand Island dressing, spicy brown mustard, sauerkraut, and Swiss cheese. This is going to be delicious, I think. Let's try it. Very good. Alright, I hope you liked what you saw. If you did, smash that like button and subscribe. Hit the bell too, so you don't miss any more of my videos. Anyway, happy St. Patrick's Day, you all. Catch you later.